Hello students, welcome again in computer class. Today we will learn chapter number 5 Advanced Paint. आज हम सभी बच्चों का प्यारा टॉपिक एडवांस पेंट कैसे करते हैं वो सीखेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल लर्न अबाउट हाउ टू स्टार्ट पेंट. पहले हमें हमारे कंप्यूटर पे पेंट पे किस तरह जाना है, हाउ टू स्टार्ट, कैसे स्टार्ट करना है वो सीखेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल go at start button, then all programs, then accessories, and then paint. Look here, you have on your computer screen like this. Here you have in middle drawing area where you can draw your picture. This is our screen main part, ribbon. This full area is ribbon. Here you have 23 types of shapes: triangle, circle, rectangle, etc. And you know that here we have 3 buttons. Which are there? 3 buttons are there: minimize, maximize and close button. Yes, here you have many colors. You can select any colors for your drawing and brush also. This is our home tab. Home tab here. And this is the main part of ribbon, quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. There also 3 buttons: redo, save and undo buttons. These all are tools. Pencil tool, eraser, like that. This is your computer screen when you start the paint program. First we will learn about quick access toolbar. What is the quick access toolbar? Quick access toolbar is on the left side of the top row of the paint windows. We learned that it shows the buttons which we need to use frequently. We can add or remove buttons in quick access toolbar using customize quick access toolbar button. By default it shows which are 3 buttons: save, undo and redo buttons. Let's learn paint button. Paint button has 2 options there: open, save and print the paint file. What is the ribbon? Ribbon paint program of Windows 7 has the concept of ribbon. Ribbon is located just under the title bar and contains shortcuts to many commands. Like ribbon has 2 parts: home tab and view tab. What is the home tab? Home tab has many group icons like clipboard, image, tools, brushes, shapes, size and color. And view tab of paint has tools to change the view of paint screen. आप चेंज कर सकते हो, जैसे कि आपका किया हुआ ड्राइंग जूम कर सकते हो, शो और हाइड कर सकते हो. दिस इज द व्यू टू. What is the drawing area? Where we can draw our paint, that called rectangular area is called the drawing area. Now shapes groups. We have 23 total different shapes including line, curve, oval, rectangle, triangle, diamond, etc. We have different shapes and we can do drawing. Now look at the picture. Here we have one circle and it has total 8 handles. See, 6, 7 and 8. It used to move the shape from one place to another. Now here we have polygon tool and curve tool. How to use the polygon tool and curve tool? First of all, you go on home tab in the shapes group, click the polygon tool and then drag the mouse and draw a straight line. Connect the last line to the first line to finish drawing the polygon and to close the shape. Same to same curve line you use go on the home tab and select the curve tool, drag the mouse and draw a straight line. After you have drawn the line, click the area where you want to draw. Look at the picture. Here you can draw any pictures, select from the shapes and you can draw on the screen. Tools group contains 6 different tools, namely pencil group, pencil tool, fill with the color tool, text tool, eraser, color picker and magnifier. Let us learn these tools. First of all, we will learn about pencil tool. What is the pencil tool? The pencil tool is used to draw thin, free from lines or curves. It draws the lines according to our mouse movement. After then, fill with color tool. Fill with color tool is used to fill any closed diagram with selected color. Then color picker, fill with color tool and color picker tool are different. Color picker tool is used to select color from the ready-made drawing. It is very useful tool when we want to select and use a specific color from the drawing. Last, eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase unwanted part of the drawing. जो आपको नहीं चाहिए उसे वो erase करता है. Look at the picture here. You can draw any pictures with the different types of shapes. If you don't want, then use the eraser tool. With pencil tool, you can draw the different shapes of drawing. This is the tools group. Pencil tool, fill with the color picker. The text tool is used to enter text in the drawing area with the help of keyboard. यहाँ आपको टेक्स्ट एरिया में, ड्राइंग एरिया में टेक्स्ट इंसर्ट करने के लिए किसकी हेल्प चाहिए? कीबोर्ड की. लुक एट द पिक्चर. हियर वी कैन सी द टेक्स्ट टूल ऑप्शंस and here we can change the font size 11, 22 like that. Bold also, italic also, and you can underline the text also. This is the text tool. Now magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is used to zoom in the part of the drawing. आपका drawing का part zoom करके दिखाएगा. Click the area which you want to zoom in. To zoom out, click using right mouse button. So remember that simple click, left click will zoom in and the right click will zoom out. Now most important thing is to save the paint file. आपने जो भी पेंट किया हुआ है वो फाइल सेव कैसे करते हैं? It is necessary to save the paint file because order to use it in the future. Select save option from the paint button of the paint. First of all save option select कीजिए. Type a meaningful file name in the file name box and click on save button. फिर उसको फाइल को एक नाम दीजिए ABCD लाइक दैट. फिर फाइल नेम बॉक्स में एंड क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन. फिर सेव कीजिए. लुक एट द पिक्चर. ऐसे आपकी स्क्रीन दिखेगी, उसमें सेव बटन आएगा तो आपकी फाइल कोई नेम से सेव हो जाएगी. नाउ टू ओपन सेव्ड फाइल. अब जो आपने फाइल सेव की हुई है उसे ओपन कैसे करेंगे? द सेव्ड paint file can be opened anytime in the future. First of all, you select the open option from the paint button. Then you will get the following screen. See, this screen you have. Select the file which you want to open and click on the open button. फिर आप जो भी फाइल ओपन करना चाहते हैं उस पर क्लिक करिए. Now you can make necessary changes in the file. So now you learn how to save and how to open the file.